southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 10:15 p.m. At 9:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm near Reading, moving northeast at 15 miles. 60 miles per hour gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, City Spring, Laurelville, New Morgan, Spring Ridge, Killington, West Reading, Mount Penn, Monson, Kenmore, St. Lawrence, Wyomissing Hills, West Lawn, Lyon, Wheaton, Amity Gardens, Whitfield, and West Wyomissing. This includes the following highways: 298. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, they will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties: Berks, Pennsylvania,